G'day folks, we're going to quickly show you a raclette family thing that we did last night for dinner, where you cook it on the table at dinner, and that was pretty cool and good fun. And then I'm going to show you a couple of meals I had today, some potato waffles and some broccoli, frozen broccoli in the air fryer, very good, with some leftover potato cheesy sauce. So that's coming up for today. Enjoy the video and keep it simple, Spuddies. Oh, am I on camera?
You are now.
Hello.
So we've got a raclette situation going. You can't be in it, Frank, because you're nude. So we're cooking.
We usually all eat nude.
We decided to get dressed.
Today's just Frank.
So we've got barbecue tofu, pineapple obviously, corn is cooking, and we've got cornichons.
Hear the debate in the comment section about cooking pineapple?
You can only have it one way and that's cooked. Olives, Frank has eaten already. This is, so we've got little pancakes under here cooking. So you fill up these things. It's all non-stick. Should be good, buddy. So this is just, I meant to have chickpea flour, but I thought I had some and I didn't. So when I got back from the shops, I realised. So it is normal flour, like a wholemeal. So this is wholemeal flour, self-raising flour with mushrooms and zucchini. Should have had tomatoes too, but Andrew and Frank ate them today. It's got a little bit of yeast, a little bit of onion powder. It's got chimichurri herbs and spices. And then we have oil-free sourdough. And that is to be dipped in this, which is cheese sauce, which is made of no cheese, but carrot, potato, onion powder,
Stock, paprika.
smoked paprika, and yeast. That's it. Yum.
Here it is.
There it goes. Oh yeah, is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Good. The texture is amazing. Can you just lift it up a bit? Yeah, it's amazing. You use it on all sorts of things. Vegan cheese sauce. So you can't see that many veggies in the end, but they're all within everything. Yum!
Woo! Now, the other thing is we have some leftover potato cheese sauce that we made also for something else. I don't know, look up a potato cheese sauce. I can't remember what the recipe is. It's got carrots and nutritional yeast and a couple of other flavours. Anyway, that's leftover, it's cold. I'm just going to microwave it for 2 minutes and then we'll have the two things together. Right folks, I thought I'd show you how I do potato waffles. So these are pretty big potatoes. Usually I don't cut them in half, but because these are big, I've cut them in half and it just makes it a little bit easier to close the waffle press thing, whatever you call it. So it's pretty simple. It's just the boiled potatoes that I cooked yesterday. I got them out of the fridge today. It works. These work better if you do it this way, if you use cold potatoes rather than fresh ones. I don't know why, it just does. It just works better. So you literally just put them in there like that, and then you close it, squash it down. You're gonna have to, oh, there you go. Fair bit of weight on it to squash it down. This one's got a little clip here that holds it closed. If you don't have a clip that holds it closed, you might need to put something heavy on top of it to hold it closed. Just turn it on, hot as it goes, and I'm gonna leave that for 20 minutes or so before I check it. There you go. Right, I had to help a delivery guy bring some stuff in for the neighbour, so it's been a few minutes extra. It's probably 23 minutes or something by now. Let's see how it looks. There you go, beautiful. That'll do. Let me just, actually I'll take them off on camera too so you can see that, there you go, they come off pretty easy. That's loose as well. That one's a little bit stuck, but we'll, yeah, there we go, easy. So they're all just going to come off nice and easy. That one's, I'm not going to be able to get my finger on that one. So, but yeah, anyway, they're going to work. I'll show you more in a sec. There we are. Waffles with sliced beetroot on top. Beets, yeah, I think you could just call it beets in the US, but we call it beetroot. It's also got some sriracha sauce on top and some Italian seasoning over the top as well. It's going to be delicious. Broccoli, frozen broccoli is good and healthy. Don't let anyone tell you that frozen food's not good for you or it's somehow inferior. It's good. My favorite way to cook frozen broccoli is actually in the air fryer because frozen food, when you, like if you steam frozen broccoli, it tends to get soggy. because there's too much moisture in it from the ice and stuff that's in there. But when you cook it in the air fryer, it obviously doesn't get as moist. It sort of evaporates. It's like steaming, and it's really good. So there we go. My air fryer is a bit old, so you've got to be a bit rough with it. But 7 minutes at 200 Celsius. Oops, that wasn't the go button. That is. Now, the other thing is we have some leftover potato cheese sauce that we made also for something else. I don't know, look up a potato cheese sauce. I can't remember what the recipe is. It's got carrots and nutritional yeast and a couple of other flavours. Anyway, that's leftover, it's cold. I'm just going to microwave it for 2 minutes and then we'll have the two things together. There it is. Broccoli with a cheesy sauce. And I've also put some Mexican chipotle hot sauce on it. Yum. Do that. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. I hope you saw something that can help. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all the normal stuff. Comment below. Click the link below to join us. You're always welcome. It's never too late. We love having new people join at any time. So click the link below and check that out. And of course, send me any requests of any sort of video topics or questions you'd like answered. There you go. Mega Foods ticking along. Mega Foods May.